Are your grooves boring? Are you bored of playing your grooves? Here's a way to fix that. So say most of your grooves have 8th note hi-hats. Now you may already be doing the thing where you put an accent on the downbeat. It's cool, it works, it has an effect. But here are 3 other options. First is the offbeat, so this means exactly the same motion but just half a beat ahead. Changes the feel of all your grooves instantly, and out of all of them, that's probably the easiest option I'm going to give you. Next is 1 and a. So we're moving out of 8th notes, we're going to 16th notes. This is my favourite. I use it too much. Basically, downstroke, shoulder the stick, and what is effectively a double on the way back up. 1 and a, 2 and a, 3 and a, 4 and a. Takes a while to get the knack of, but it's very much worth it. Okay, so now you may be wondering, what the hell is the last one? Well, similar to the last one, but instead now we're going to do double 1. So 1 E and, so the downstroke is on the and. Now individually these are all really cool, but they're even more cool when you mix them up. So have fun.